Pane nyaya inozikamwa nevazhinji kuti America ine mabhesi akawanda muAfrica, ende pane nyaya yekuti Botswana ine bhesi rekuAmerica. Takangokura tichiziva kuti pane bhesi remasoja ekuAmerica riri muBotswana. But right now, the Botswana government have issued a statement clarifying that ichida kuzivisa vanhu kuti pane nhema dzakawanda dzinozikamwa nevanhu. So regai tipinde muthis press statement yaissuwa the Botswana government. Press release: no US military base at Tebepatswa, right. Press statement yoendera kumberi ichitiyo yabudiswa musi wa17th March 2026, which is today. And Botswana reaffirms no US military base at Tebepatswa. The government of Botswana wishes to address and correct misinformation circulating on various media and political discourse regarding Tebepatswa Air Base. Botswana does not host a United States military base. Tebepatswa Air Base is a sovereign military installation owned, operated, and controlled entirely by the Botswana government through the Botswana Defence Force. The facility serves Botswana's national interest of enhancing emergency response capabilities, supporting regional peacekeeping and humanitarian efforts, and maintaining the operational readiness of our armed forces. Okay, so while robust debate on matters of national interest is both healthy and welcome in a democracy, it is important that discussions concerning national security are grounded in verified facts rather than speculation. Misinformation, particularly when amplified across borders. Apa vari right sure vachitoti especially amplified across borders, because ma-Africans mazhinji, and I think ma-Zimbabweans mazhinji anozviziva kuti Botswana kune base remasoja ekuAmerica, but inema. In fact, ndakatombonzwa even ma-South Africans, a very famous South African unonzi anui, a commentator unonzi anui, I just forgot the name, achitotaurawo I think pa-national TV, as a matter of fact, achitotaura kuti we have bases. If America wants to attack us, it attack from Botswana, what, and those are lies. Now the government of Botswana is clarifying kuti actually it's not really kuti pane base rekuAmerica. Base ramunoona riya nderedu. Saka regai tiende mberi tisati tichakupa zvizere zvimwe. Regai tiende mberi titange tapedzisa press statement yevakomana vegovernment yeBotswana. Right, misinformation, particularly when amplified across borders, has the potential to create unnecessary misunderstanding among citizens and between neighboring countries. So about to address an issue. Botswana values its strong relationship with all its neighbors and remains committed to regional cooperation, dialogue, and mutual respect. We urge all commentators, media outlets, and political actors to verify facts before making public statements about Botswana's defense posture. Misinformation serves no one's interests and undermines trust between nations. The government remains committed to transparency and accountability in matters of public interest. Thank you. Tuduetso Mohosi, DPS Government Communications. Yes. So ndozvotagwa neBotswana izvi kuti tiri kuona kuti even marelationships edu nemaneighboring countries anenge achitokanganisika, because vanhu vari kufunga kuti tine base remasoja, vari kufunga kuti tine base remasoja ekuAmerica, handiti maona. So right, so regai tipinde kuti saka chii chakakonzera kuti vanhu vafungire kuti Botswana ine base remasoja. Ipapo ndo patava kuda kupa information manje yavasina kutipa isusu mupress statement ravo, because mupress statement vangotaura kuti ivo hapana zviri kuitika, hatina base. But chirikuku chakakonzeresa kuti nyaya iyoyo ifambe imuke in the first place chi, right? So short answer ndekuti Botswana doesn't have a confirmed permanent US military base, but here is the real situation. Official position: the US government says clearly it does not have a military base in Botswana. Instead, the US and Botswana have a military partnership, including training and joint exercises. So, what actually exists? US troops do operate in Botswana sometimes, but only temporarily, and with Botswana's permission. They do joint exercises like Southern Accord, where both countries train together. So, where the confusion comes from, some declassified Pentagon documents mentioned America mentioned a cooperative security location, CSL, in Botswana. This is not a full base, it's more like a standby location that can be used if needed. It reportedly had no permanent US presence and was even considered for closure. So bottom line, no permanent US base like in Djibouti, some limited temporary military access and cooperation, strong defense relationship between the two countries. Those ripo Zimbabwe. So I think we have made it clear, and also the government of Botswana have made it clear, because officially now we know kuti aiwa base role kana pachimbotombo vachita matraining is just matrainings, but it's a completely owned base, owned by Botswana. So garai panapa tenge tichikupai ma-updates of what's happening in Zimbabwe and our region is the Southern Africa region, SADC region. Ndo zviri kuitika. These are latest updates. Stay subscribed.